So what I'm going to show you now is how to use the slice command. I showed it in the basic editing, but this command can be used a lot of different ways. So I'm going to use a circle again. And what I want to do is I want to use some text in this case instead of two shapes. So I'm going to come up and I'm going to select text. And I'm going to put in 13 as a number because I want to really take this 13, and what I want to do is really slice or cut out the 13 out of my circle. So it's the same concept as we showed in the basic editing, and you can do this with multiple different things, right? So it all depends on what you're trying to create. So again, I'm going to select both of the layers or objects, and then I'm going to hit slice, and my result is going to be a 13 that will be cut out. So when I apply this to my maker, it's going to cut out the circle, but also cut the 13 out so that I can use this maybe as a stencil, or, I just want to have it as a circle with the 13 missing, that basically is transparent. And you can also just move these other objects. So if you wanted to have the 13 as a different color, you can do that as well. So a lot of different things you can do with the slice command.